In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase passcode lock time in OneDrive app. Let's get started by opening the OneDrive app on your mobile device. Give it a moment to load to the main home view. From here, you'll want to find your profile area. Look toward the upper left corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon or initials. That's the entry point for your account options and app settings. Tap the profile icon to open your account menu. In this menu, look for the settings option. It's usually represented by a small gear icon and labeled clearly. Go ahead and tap Settings to move into the app's configuration area. Inside Settings, scroll down until you find the section called App Lock. This is where OneDrive lets you add a layer of security and control how the passcode behaves over time. When you see App Lock, tap it to open the security options. If you haven't set up an App Lock before, OneDrive will prompt you to create a 6-digit PIN. Enter a 6-digit number that's memorable but not easy to guess. Avoid simple patterns like repeating numbers or sequences. When prompted, re-enter the same 6-digit PIN to confirm it. This confirmation reduces the chance of typos and ensures your passcode works exactly as intended. Once the PIN is set, look for the option labeled Lock App Automatically. Tap this to choose how long OneDrive should wait before it requires your passcode again. This is the key setting that controls your passcode lock time. You'll see a list of time intervals to pick from. Select the duration that best matches your workflow. A longer time means you won't be asked for your PIN as frequently when you step away briefly, which is convenient. A shorter time will lock the app sooner, which is more secure, especially if you're using a shared or busy environment. After selecting your preferred interval, your choice is saved automatically and you can back out of settings. From now on, OneDrive will use the new lock time you selected. If your needs change later, say you want more convenience during travel or tighter security at work, simply return to App Lock and adjust the automatic lock time again. That's it. You've increased the passcode lock time in the OneDrive app, balancing convenience and security to fit your day. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, feel free to revisit these steps anytime you want to fine-tune your settings.